Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to install Steam on your Windows 11 PC. First things first, let's bring up a web browser. I'll bring up Google Chrome, and all we need to do is search out for Steam. It should be the first one in the search here. Welcome to Steam. Let's go to that. And once you've loaded up Steam's website, you'll see at the top here, Install Steam, this green icon here. Let's select that. Now, here you'll see a big blue button, Install Steam. Let's select that. At the top here you'll see it's already done. We can open up the folder. I always recommend doing this. Now we can delete the web browser, or you've just opened Steam in, because we have our Steam set up here. You now need to double click this. A pop-up window will appear asking you, are you sure you want to install this? Let's press yes. Now here we need to go through this process of installing Steam by pressing next. Select your language, mine's English, so I'll leave it at that. Press next. Select the location where you want to install Steam. You can press browse if you want to change it here. We'll leave it as it is. Let's select install. Then we can select run here, so Steam will run. Let's press finish. It'll check for updates the first time it ever installs. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, will determine how quick this happens. But normally it's pretty quick. So, here we are. Now we can sign in to our Steam by using our account name and password, or we can use the QR code here. If you don't have a Steam account, you can create a free account here. If you sign in to a Steam account that you've previously used on Windows 10 and you have games that you have installed on there or bought, then they'll all be available on your account here on Windows 11. Now, the reason I left this window up behind is because once you've installed it, you do want to delete this Steam setup folder. So let's press delete on it, because unnecessary space on your PC. So, hopefully that shows you how to install Steam on your Windows 11 PC. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.